Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLS 454 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter twin turbo V6 pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with an LED illuminated star in the grille. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. On the side, we've got brushed aluminum running boards. A ginger beige espresso brown MB Tex interior. Sunroof. The GLS does come with third row seating. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. Our GLS 450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, alongside this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, a eucalyptus wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got navigation. This also comes with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view camera with sensors in the front and rear. Parktronic with active parking assist. Also, this does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and lane keeping assist. We've got our hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS has 21,783 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmannimports.com.